Hello, welcome to Azure. This is the rack type FM200 system. In this, you can see that this is the FM200 40 liters long type cylinder, which is connected firmly with this rack and is not easily movable. And this one is the releasing control panel IGE40 which is firmly connected with the rack. And these are the sounders in the sounder 1 and sounder 2 port. And this one is the hold and about switch, and this one is manual release, and this one is the mode switch. So many devices can be connected with this rack. And this pipe, you can see the nozzle is already connected with the pipe, so no need for any further installation, and the space can be covered only by installing this rack. And this rack is very firm, and it's not easy for the cylinder to fall down or make any damage. And this rack also comes with the movable tires, and it's like a trolley, so you can easily, if you want, you can easily move it by pushing it below a little bit, and then you can move it as your desired location.